Are you ready to revolutionize your online experience with AI? Artificial intelligence is changing the way we interact with the web. Today, we will explore 10 incredible AI websites you should know about. These websites will help you work smarter, create faster, and learn more efficiently. Let's dive right in. First up, we have Canva. Canva uses AI to simplify graphic design. You can create stunning visuals in minutes, even with no design experience. Just choose a template, customize and share or print. Next, let's look at ChatGPT. This is an advanced AI chatbot. Use it for generating ideas, answering questions, and even writing articles. It learns from your inputs, becoming better with every interaction. Now check out DeepAI. This website offers AI-powered image generation tools. Simply describe what you want, and it creates unique images instantly. Fourth on our list is Grammarly. Grammarly is a writing assistant powered by AI. It checks your grammar, punctuation, and style while you write. This helps to make your writing clearer and more professional. Moving on, we have Talk to Transformer. This website lets you explore AI-generated text based on your prompts. It can help spark creativity or assist with writing projects. Next, consider Runway ML. This is a fantastic platform for content creators. It offers powerful video editing tools that use AI for smart effects. Editing videos becomes more intuitive and fun. Seventh is Pictory. Check out this AI tool for transforming text into videos. You can turn articles or stories into engaging video content fast. Eighth, we have Wonder. This AI helps you find answers to complex questions. You ask anything, and it provides concise, accurate information. Ninth, let's explore Kuki, an engaging AI chatbot designed for conversation. Chat with Kuki and enjoy a fun, interactive experience. Finally, we have Synthesia. This platform allows you to create AI videos easily. You can generate professional videos without extensive equipment or skills. Now that we've explored these 10 amazing AI websites, remember to try them out. These tools can simplify your tasks, enhance creativity, and save time. Start utilizing these websites today to harness the power of AI. For more insights and tips on technology, subscribe to our channel. Like this video, share it with others, and leave a comment below. Let us know what you found most useful or share your favorite AI tools. Thanks for watching.